Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to remove your XoXo extensions. So to get started, we're going to take our nail trimmer. As you can see, I have one in pink. I'm going to link everything down below. And what you want to do is just use this to cut your nails down. Keep in mind exactly where your natural nail stops, and then that's where you want to cut it. So just go ahead and cut all of the nails accordingly. Next, you're going to take your electric filer. If you do not have an electric filer, you can just take a really coarse nail file, like a manual one, and just start buffing away at the shininess on the XoXo extension. So this is so that you can use your acetone, which we're going to get into next, and it's just going to be a lot easier to eat away at that material so that we can restart the removal process. If I'm being completely honest, it's really easy to do this process. I know sometimes it gets a little bit dreadful because you're like, oh, I wonder how many steps are in it, but it's really not that many steps. And as long as you have the proper tools, like getting this electrical bit is so important. You definitely want to copy one of those, and I got mine from Amazon. So like I said, I'm going to link everything down below. But I have mine on turned up a little bit high because I want to eat away at that product. Now that we're all filed down, you're going to see me grab these little strips, and what these are is basically aluminum foil with a little cotton pad on it. And if you don't have this, you can just grab you some separate aluminum foil with a cotton round and just make sure you drench it in acetone. Then you want to place it directly on top of the nail polish. And then you want to proceed to wrapping the nail as you see me doing here, making sure it's nice and tight, and then seal it. Once you've successfully wrapped all of your nails, you want to go ahead and let this process for about 10 minutes. I just want to make a quick note that if you've stayed this far in the video, make sure you go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, because I've been seeing y'all watching these videos and y'all not subscribing, and I don't know what that's about, but I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and subscribe to this channel because it is really helpful for me and it helps me to understand what you guys like and don't like. So please hit that like, share, and subscribe button. Thanks. We've waited about 10 minutes, so we're just going to go ahead and check the nails, and as you can see, it's already melted the material. And so we're going to use this little tool. This is a cuticle pusher, and I'm just going to use this to go ahead and scrape off all of that gunk. And it may not come off in the first go round, so what we're going to do is, once we're done doing this, I'm sorry guys, we're going to just take the aluminum and put it right back on the nail. As I mentioned before, it's not going to come off in the first go around more than likely. So we're just going in for a second time and just removing the remainder of that gel, and we should be good right after this. Take my handy dandy nail file, and I'm just going to buff off the nails and just get them all prepped. I'm going to file them down a little bit, make sure that there's no snags or anything like that. We should be pretty good. You're able to retain all of your length. Your nails are still very strong. You just have to do a little bit prep after you do the removal, but I'm going to show you guys that in just a moment. Sure what this little tool is, it's just a little buffer, so we're just going to finish off and smooth the nail with this one. And now for the fun part, we're going to take this OPI nail strengthener and we're just going to polish all of our nails with this. This is going to harden your nails so that they are still very durable and that they don't break. Without this, your nails are probably going to be more prone to breakage, so make sure you do something to prep your nail bed after you do the removal. Last but not least, we're going to take this OPI Pro Spa. This is a cuticle oil, and we are just going to gloss these babies up because we are done. The nails look very fresh, they look good, they look healthy, we still have our length, there's no chips or anything or any dips in it, so you're good to go, girl. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.